What's good, guys? We are up here at an air show at Bowman Field in Louisville, Kentucky. Super cool. A lot of cool historic airplanes. Checking it out. I think we might fly today. So yeah, if you guys didn't know, I've had like a lifelong obsession with airplanes and all things that fly. It is like my lifelong goal to own a plane. I'm going to one day. This is cool. Cessna. My dad used to own a car just like this. It was a kit car. He like built it from scratch. It came with like all the parts and then you put it together. That plane made the first ever airmail flight in history. There are so many cool historic planes here. Really neat.
I've hit my head on so many wings.
Yeah, I've hit my head twice. That is a danger of walking around airplanes. You're constantly hitting your head on the wings. I was looking at that car and hit my head on the wing of the plane next to it. It's only $60,000. Guys, I'm gonna put a link in the top of the description for a Kickstarter.
Listen, I'm in between vehicles right now, so this will help me get back and forth to work. Just a little something simple, you know.
So I come from the belief that it's better to ask forgiveness than to ask permission. We don't have permission to enter this hangar right here where all the private planes are. If you've watched this channel for a long time, you know I have aspirations of buying a very nice private jet one day. Could be in the near future, who knows? But I really want to get in here and take a look at these jets. We don't technically have permission to enter the building, so see what happens. I was in the movie Amelia.
Back in 2007.
So I'm getting ready to take my first ever flying lesson. I've flown a plane before, but it's gonna be my first flying lesson. I'm gonna get a pilot's license. How long have you been a pilot?
It's the kind of police escort normally reserved for dignitaries, not a pilot trying to hold on to his dignity. A fuel problem, police say, caused the plane to lose altitude and the pilot to lose options.
So apparently the plane I was on has a history. It once landed on a highway, as you just saw, so that's kind of crazy. So shout out to Honecker Discovery Flights and my instructor, Russell. Alright, so we just got up here to the House of Boom, celebrating Ava's 7th birthday. Just got recognized by some fans here. Always great meeting you guys in public. Look at this place. This is crazy. Wow! Whoa! That was awesome. Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ava. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish.
And many more.
Blow it hard. Good job. Good job.
You can't tell people what you wish for.
Yeah, you can't tell. It won't come true.
I know. I'm not telling you. Fork.
It's a shooter.
It shoots.
We just wrapped up the party part, like with the cake and the ice cream and all that stuff. Now we're jumping again, trying to get sick. I love this place. It's super awesome. I wish it existed when I was a kid. But I will say they're just playing like completely unedited rap music right now. Like hardcore rap. You did what? Oh, was it fun?
Did you see me?
I did, yeah.
Look,
Yeah.
I did that.
Is it cool? Yeah? You having fun? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Good.
It was fun.
Alright, we are wrapping it up at the House of Boom, getting ready to head out, head home. It's been an awesome party. I cannot believe my little girl is 7 years old. Remember when she was this big? Fit right here. I remember when she fit right here. Man, time flies, guys. Time flies. If you're a parent, cherish every moment. All right, we are wrapping up the party. Did you have fun, birthday girl? Yeah. Skittles, I see them. Haven't you eaten enough candy today?
But Dad, I messed up.
But Dad. So how was your 7th birthday party?
Good.
Yeah, did you have fun? Good. Glad to hear it. I had fun too. It was a good time in there. I'll see you when you're 7 years old. Your last night as a 6-year-old. Good night, my love. So how does it feel to be 7 years old?
Horrible.
Feels horrible. How's it horrible?
It's horrible.
You're the worst. Stop it. Do you know why 6 is scared of 7?
7, 8, 9.
Yep. 6 is scared of 7 because 7, 8, 9. We're trending on YouTube again. So I want to thank you guys first and foremost for all the love and support. Obviously that stuff didn't happen without you. It's a together thing. We're in this together, you know? It's like a I don't know. I'm gonna stop talking now, but thank you, as always. Amazing, amazing. That's the airport right over there, ending this vlog right here. If you made it all the way to the end of this vlog, hit that thumbs up button for me and leave me a comment and let me know if you could fly anywhere in the world. If you had your own plane and you could fly anywhere in the world, where would you fly to? Leave it in the comment section below. I will see you next time. Thank you for coming back to EvanEra Vlogs, where anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.